Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last few months I've been considering buying a new machine because the Cricut was giving me a lot of problems, and I bought a new one, the Silhouette Cameo 4, and I'm really enjoying it so far. I'm still learning how to use it, but I really like it, the final result and the whole process. Um, I'm very excited also to show you this new product that I have in my shop right now. Yes, I have a new product. Yes, bookmarks. Finally, I have bookmarks. Yes, I've been wanting to have this product in my shop for a long time, and I tried to make them here in my home studio, but I never liked the final result. The finishing was not what I wanted, so I had them printed at a local printer, and now I cut them at home. I'm very excited, so I finally have bookmarks. I'm very happy. So let's see them. Here they are. I have 5 designs so far, and I hope to make more in the future. This green one is from my Froggy collection. I love the green color and the pattern are made here. On the back I added a cute little froggy with some leaves and a larger one that looks really nice on top of a book. This pink one says one book at a time with the sun and a larger snail on the back. This one has mushrooms from the Mushy collection. The material is very soft. This is how the back looks like, also very cute. I really love how this kitty one turned out. I was inspired by Alice in Wonderland, and I made a word search puzzle on the back with a special phrase that you can read using the yellow circles. This one is one of my favorites actually. Lastly, there is a tuxedo cat sleeping on this one. You know that I love tuxedos. I also have a tuxedo cat. This blue is very pretty and I really like the final result. So this is my bookmarks collection so far, and you can find it in my shop and use it on your favorite books. Here we are in the Silhouette studio. You can download it to your computer. I'm going to cut these stickers for this month's Patreon rewards. A tip here is that you can set the registration marks to the minimum, and unlike Cricut, you have more space on the sheet. Here you choose the size of your cutting mat and the media size. Mine is A4, making sure everything is correct. Next, we will send it to cut. Here's one of the great benefits of Silhouette. You have more control over the cutting settings, where you can make different types of cuts in one project, which is great for making sticker sheets, for example. It's here in the line section, and you select a color for each object and a different cut. Finally, whenever there is a registration mark reading failure, we can do it manually and save a lot of time.